So I'll admit I was a little bit nervous to try out a dash cam, something that I always wanted, but I was always afraid it would be a little too complicated. But then I checked out the REDTIGER dual-facing dash cam and I was blown away. Not only is the technology very intuitive, but it was very easy to set up. It was literally just pop it onto my windshield, plug it in, and it was ready to go. The display is picture-in-picture, so I'm able to see the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera at the same time. And it slides on and off the included mount, so I can bring it inside, download the footage, and put it right back without messing up my windshield. The video quality is very clear. It can go up to 4K, and it can record audio. It's a clear picture, day or night, and it'll stamp your speed, your GPS, and the time and date on the video. It plugs right into my car's power adapter or my car's USB, whichever one I want, so it turns on and off as the car turns on and off. And to make driving even safer, it also allows voice commands, so I can ask it to do things like start recording, stop recording, or take a photo. My only regret with the REDTIGER dashcam is that I didn't get it sooner.